First, unpack the box and reference the parts list on the assembly manual to ensure you have the necessary pieces and the included hardware. Start with one piece of Part B and attach legs C and C1 by sliding the legs inside Part B. Take the other piece of Part B and attach legs D and D1 by sliding the legs inside Part B, lining up the holes and securing them with bolts G. Unfold the legs on Part E and secure them in place by screwing in bolts H into the holes located above the legs. Attach both ends of Part E to Parts B using bolts G. Unfold the slats, the two pieces of Part F. With the tape facing up, place the slats onto the frame, spacing them evenly and securing them in place using the Velcro. Peel the cover off the tape to help secure your mattress to the frame. Now you can enjoy your new bed frame.